Listen closely. There comes a time in every life when silence speaks louder than noise, and truth begins to press against the heart that has been avoiding it. Stand is not born in the moment when the world agrees with you. It awakens when you decide to rise, even when your steps feel unsteady. There is a point where the soul stops negotiating with fear and quietly reminds you of who you were before doubt enters your mind. A point you realize the weight you carry is not from life but from the conversations you never allowed yourself to have. And the moment you decide to step beyond the hesitations, your entire world begins to breathe differently. That this is that moment, a moment to reclaim your voice, to reclaim your choice, to reclaim your directions, a moment to remind yourself that your dreams do not require permission, they require commitment. Rise with the understanding that your life expands the second you stop waiting for certainty and start acting from clarity. When your heart begins to speak with honesty, the path ahead no longer imitates you, it begins to recognize you. Every heart carries a question in it, afraid to ask, and every soul carries a truth it is afraid to accept. Strength does not arrive when the world applauds you. Strength awakens the moment you decide to rise. Decide that you will no longer live in the shadow of anyone else. Will decide that you will no longer allow circumstances to pull your strings. Decide that your journey is yours, choices are yours, your voice is yours. Decide that your dreams deserve someone beside you who believes in them as fearlessly as you do. Decide that you will stand for the life you feel in the deepest parts of your spirit. Decide that you will honor the pull that your heart has been quite feeling. Decide that you will no longer postpone the conversation that can change everything. The path before you may seem uncertain, but do not doubt yourself. Where intention is pure and the effort is honest, the universe aligns in silence. What appears doesn't begins to move closely. What feels impossible begins to shift. What seems locked begins to open. What what stands still begins to move in your favor. And what you once thought you could never achieve stands to bow before your determination. Remember this, destiny bends only for those who refuse to bend in their courage. Do not chase approval, do not fear misunderstandings. Walk your path with clarity, for those want meant to understand your heart will recognize it light without a single explanations. There is someone somewhere whose presence strengthens your spirit without ever being asked. Their memory awakens a calm inside you. Their thoughts gives you a sense of direction. Let their feeling guides you, not bind you. Let it evaluate you, not distract you. Let it refine your intention, not confuse your purpose. Let it depend your focus, not blur your path. Let it remind you of who you are and make your doubt what you feel. Such conversations are never accidental. They are a reminder from the universe that you are capable of far more than you imagine. Rise, rise without hesitation. Your battles are many, but your power is infinite. Your wounds are real, but your spirit is undefeatable. Your doubts may whisper, but your inner truth speaks louder. Your fear may shake you, but your purpose steadies you. Your heart may be tired, but it should know exactly where it wants to be. And your journey, your true journey, begins the moment you stop hesitating to face the person who can shift your entire horizon. The moment you choose honesty over distance, the moment you decide that some conversations are not burdens, they are bridges. The moment you understand that certain people are meant to be spoken to, not avoided. The moment you realize that sometimes all the universe is waiting for is from both hearts to sit across from each other and finally speak without fear. Walk ahead with unwavering confidence, not towards escape, not towards clarity, not towards separation, not towards undetermination, not towards the unknown, but towards the person whose presence aligns your mind and steadies your breath. Do your karma with a steady heart, but do not delay the conversations that destiny has placed right in front of you. Timing matters, and the silence is not always strength. For a heart filled with sincerity never goes unnoticed. Not by the world, not by the fate, not by the one who truly sees you, not by the one whose soul has already felt your intentions long before world arrived. Move forward with conviction. The world may doubt you, but the divine within you never will. And the conversation that strengthens you will feel the truth in your step without you needing to force anything. Understand this. Life does not wait for perfect timing. Life responds to brave timing. The universe moves from one who moves with intention, not for the one who waits for signs or communicate with sign. Every gate shift in history begins with a single human deciding they were done standing still. And today, that human is you. You are not here to linger in uncertainty. You are here to rise above. You are not here to silence your truth. You are here to speak it with a steady heart. You are not here to navigate life alone. You are here to recognize the rare soul whose presence doesn't disturb your path but strengthen it. There comes a moment when you stop asking, "What if things go wrong? Go wrong if I may make a move? What if things go wrong if I make a conversation? What if things go wrong if I make a connection?" Instead, start asking, what if everything I want is finally within reach? What if everything I want is finally waiting for an approach from my side? When that question enters your mind, the world around you begins to shift. Door open differently. People appears differently. Even destiny watches you differently. Because when you finally gather courage, life gathers momentum. When you step forward with truth, the universe steps forward with opportunity. When you choose clarity over fear, the future begins to arrange itself in the way you once thought impossible. Let this to be the moment where hesitations end and intentions begins. Let this be the moment where you rise not from yourself, but for the connection that keeps you awake at night, the one that gives meaning to your silence and directions to your thoughts. You already know who brings calm into your storm. You already know whose presence makes you stronger without determining anything from you. You already know whose voice your heart has been waiting to hear without delay. And deep within, you already know the conversation that destiny wants you to have. So, rise again. Rise with purpose. Rise with clarity. Rise with the understanding that courage is not the absence of fear. It is a decision that sometimes else matter more. And what matters now is truth, connections, and the moment unfolding in front of you. The world changes when one heart decides, I will not wait for longer, and perhaps today that heart is yours. Hold this closely, breathe it carefully, take this hint. Some doors don't stay open forever, not because they close, but because the person meant to walk through them finally gathers the courage to knock. Thank you.